friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to look at two different Dollar General deals with this little gift that showed up, which is a 5 off of 20, valid till the 27th of August. So if you just want to load it, I don't know if you want to wait a couple weeks or if you want to do deals right away. We're stacking it with this 3 off 15 as well for the first couple deals. Question we're going to be asked a lot is, does this actually work? Yes, it does. This is an older photo. I'm a Saturday shopper. I like to get it on the Saturday with the 5 off 25 in this. And in the past, it has stacked. Any issues you have, don't be shy to return a single item or void the transaction if your store will allow it. Always be polite. Ask, hey, can I void this? If you forget your wallet, how are you supposed to pay? So you got to void the transaction. And I've been known to forget my wallet on my printer at home several times. Not all stores this works. I'm just throwing it on the table. Sometimes you have to use the paper 5 off 25. So keep that in mind. If you're an avid shopper at your Dollar General, you probably know. Absolutely use the Dollar General app to ensure that the digital coupons along with the 3 off 15 or 5 off 25 or 5 off 20, a lot of balls in the air, all the coupons are attaching. On Saturday, when I will be out there doing my deals, I'm going to pin to this video, so the top comment, if it's working or not, or I'll put it on the community tabs. And with inflation, sometimes prices will increase on Wednesdays, so just be mindful of that. Definitely bring a pad of paper and pen, write down some prices. Ensure you're buying what you want for the costs, because sometimes these prices will fluctuate. Also, for those that love to throw everything in a Dollar General basket with the app and then write in the comments, oh, you're wrong, nothing's working, you physically have to go to the store to get the math to balance. You can throw everything into the app. It's not going to balance. You have to do these deals in store. Very critical last one. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at is any day deal. What we're grabbing is a large fabric softener for $7.50, a smaller fabric softener for $4.50, one of those double car clips, I guess, for $5.50, and one of those small spaces for $3 and some change. So we're just going to take a quick jog through the store. $7.50. If you want the detergent, you can get that as well. The top is the digital coupon that you need to attach, our 5 off 20, along with the 3 off 15. See how that's all attaching beautifully? Okay, and here's the tag for all the people that love to tag read. Here it is. We're also grabbing this guy. I don't know. I just want a lot of fabric softener. And we have $1 digital to go with that. And I'm going to show you that right here and see the 5 off 20 also and the 3 off 15. I know I'm grabbing the right product. Our little car clip. So this guy is $5.50 and you get 2 of this. Your car will smell like Gain and Magic. And then we have a really generous coupon, which is the $2.30 off of 1, our 5 off 20, and then the 3 off 15. For the last small spaces, guys, apologies. It was on an end cap and I didn't grab a photo, but there's the digital coupon that you need loaded at the very top. Looking at the mathematics for this, 1 Gain fabric softener, the larger one for $7.50, a smaller Gain fabric softener for $4.50, 1 small spaces for $3.25, and then 1 Febreze car plug for $5.50. As the cashier is scanning all of this lovely merchandise, that's when you've punched in your phone number on the keypad. The total for this basket is $20.75. Now we have a 5 off 20 for the Gain and a 3 off 15. That's $8 off right there, along with $7.60 in digital coupons. You're paying $5.15 for the 4 items, and if the 3 off 15 does not come off, because some stores it is not coming off, it'll be $8.15. So hopefully, it works for you, but sometimes, goofy things happen over at the Dollar General. We're just going to own it. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is another any day deal. We're going to grab 2 of the big mamas for $7.50. If you want the larger detergents, you can opt for that as well. But I'm just thinking about fabric softener morning, noon, and night. And then 2 of the Mr. Clean. See, there's a little Gain below his chest. 2 of those for $6.50. Okay, so here it is. Look for this guy in the cleaner aisle, and we're looking again for the one that says Gain. And just to show you the tag, I know a lot of people are like, I need to see the tag. Here's the tag. So it'd be 2 for $5.50 after the digital coupon. And this is, in fact, stacking with all of this magic. So here it is, and it's stacking with the 3 off 15 and then the 5 off 20 as well. So scan it for your mind's sake also in the store. We're also grabbing 2 of these guys. I don't know. I just love these large fabric softeners. They make me so happy. So 2 of those for $15. And as you can see, we have a 2 off. And looking at this, the $2 for the top, the $2 for the bottom, the 5 off 20, and then the 3 off 15. Looking at the mathematics for this any day deal, 2 of those big mamas of the fabric softener is $15 on the nose, and then 2 Mr. Cleans is $6.50 for a total of $21.50. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off 20, 3 off 15 come off, along with $5 in digital manufacturers. The $2 for the 2 different softeners, and then the $1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean. You're paying $8.50 for the 3, and then if your 3 off 15 does not come off for whatever stupid reason, it would be $11.50 for the 3. You decide if this is a good deal for you or not. Now we're going to hop into the Saturday deal, and I'm going to let you guys know a little piece of information. If you have both of these digital coupons loaded, probably the 3 off 15 will come off before the 5 off 25. So guys, really make sure one or the other, you're doing a smaller basket or the larger basket. And I really want to go with the larger one for the Saturday, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I need my 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20 loaded for this first deal. This is what I'm grabbing for my basket. $15 of those massive Gain fabric softeners that make me so happy. A smaller Gain fabric softener for $4.50, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $1. And then 2 stem ant killers or whatever you want to call it. I'll let you know at checkout, scan these 2 first, because if you do not, the digital coupon will not come off. So scan them first. That is the most important part of this video. So this is the digital coupon that you need for the stem, which is an $8.99 off of 2. In the dollar spot, this is where you're going to find these $1 Gain dish soaps. I know not everybody can find them. Alternatively, there might be a fabric softener or a single detergent. Here is the UPC if you wish to scan to see if your store might even have it, if you can follow along. There's also dryer sheets for $2.30 by Gain, so you might want to look for those if you can't find anything. We're going to grab 2 of these beautiful fabric softeners. I just really need to stock up on fabric softener, so this is what I'm going to be doing. And I have to whisper because it's such a secret. We have gorgeous number 1. Load this guy to your store cart and his twin. So that's $4 of savings. And then our little friend, this guy, for $4.50. And then we have that $1 digital. Please make sure you have it loaded. Okay, looking at the mathematics, remember we're getting there on August the 6th only. So 2 of the stem products, scan those first. Very important. 2 large fabric softeners for $15, 1 smaller fabric softener for $4.50, and 1 dish soap for $1, for a total of $34.50. As the cashier scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number on the keypad. 5 off 20, 5 off 25, Saturday coupon is coming off, along with $13.99 of digital manufacturers. Take a breath. You're paying $10.51 out of pocket plus tax for the 6 products, shaking it out to $1.75 per product. This right here is extreme couponing. The last little dealio that we're going to look at, and this is the one I'm specifically going to do, I need my 2 best friends loaded. I can't have that 3 off 15 loaded on my card. I need the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20. This is what I'm grabbing. 1 big Mama Gain, 1 small Mama Gain. The 2-pack of the car clips with the Gain logo, and then 1 small Spaces. So I'm kind of augmenting one of my last baskets for any day and then throwing it into this one. And these are the digital coupons that I need loaded. That $2 off for that large Gain, the $1 off for the smaller fabric softener, the $2.30 for the car clip, and then the $2.30 for the small Spaces. I'm also going to grab one of these razors for $3 and some change. I think it's like $3.65. And last Sunday we had a very generous $4 digital coupon that popped up for this, giving us a little bit of overage. So that is your early birthday gift. And then also in the kids section, the Colgate cavity protection. If you look this guy up in the app, the digital coupon isn't attaching, but if you scan the barcode, it's a different story. Hey, guess what? Here's the here's the barcode, and you can see that the $2 digital coupon is attaching, giving you $1 of overage. And just to show you, here it is, $2 coupon, which is really fantastic. Here's the basket, friends, and remember, this is Saturday, August the 6th only. 1 Gain fabric softener for $7.50, 1 smaller Gain fabric softener for $4.50, 1 Febreze small Spaces for $3.25, and then 1 of the Febreze car plugs for $5.50. Now that's already $20, so the 5 off 20 will work. 1 of the Bic lady razors for $3.65 and a Colgate child for $1. The new total now is $25.40. The 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25 should come off as the cashier's scanning all of your merchandise. That's when you punch in your phone number, along with the $13.60 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $1.80 for the 6 items, or 30 cents each. This is the specific deal I want to do on a bunch of my different store cards because it is everything that is magical about the 5 off 20 for Gain. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.